Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of messenger bags, and I've got something special for you. Introducing the ESTARER Men's Laptop Messenger Bag, the best messenger bag with a water bottle holder that you can get your hands on right now. This bag is not only stylish but also incredibly functional, designed to meet all your carrying needs whether you're heading to work, school, or traveling the globe. Let's talk about capacity. This bag can accommodate most laptops and tablets up to 17 inches, with plenty of room left over for your essentials like chargers, headphones, and even a change of clothes. Plus, with multiple compartments and pockets, you'll have no trouble staying organized on the go. Now, let's address durability. Crafted from water-resistant canvas and featuring sturdy metal snap hooks and D-rings, this bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and keep your valuables safe and secure. But what really sets this messenger bag apart is its versatility. It's not just a messenger bag, it's also a backpack and a briefcase, giving you 3 carry options in one sleek package. Whether you prefer to sling it over your shoulder, wear it as a backpack, or carry it like a traditional briefcase, this bag has you covered. And let's not forget about comfort. With padded shoulder straps, a hideaway handle, and a widened luggage strap, this bag is designed to keep you comfortable no matter how you choose to carry it. Say goodbye to shoulder pain and hello to hassle-free carrying. In conclusion, the ESTARER Men's Laptop Messenger Bag is the ultimate companion for anyone on the move. With its combination of style, functionality, durability, and versatility, it's truly the best messenger bag with a water bottle holder on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all the products you love. Until next time, happy shopping!